In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete voice in ElevenLabs. If you're new here and planning to sign up for ElevenLabs, be sure to use our affiliate link, which is conveniently located in the description box below. It not only supports our channel, but also helps us continue to provide you with valuable content. Now, let's get started with deleting a voice from your ElevenLabs account. First, after you've logged in and are on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find various options that help navigate through the different features of ElevenLabs. What we're interested in today is the Voices section. So, go ahead and click on Voices. This will take you to a page that displays all the voices associated with your account. Once you've clicked on Voices, you'll need to focus on the top section named My Voices. This is where all the magic happens. Within the My Voices tab, you will find a comprehensive list of all the voices you have previously added or created. It's quite a useful feature because it keeps everything organized and easily accessible for when you're working on multiple projects simultaneously. Now, find the voice you wish to delete from this list. To the right of each voice entry, there's a small, discrete icon that looks like 3 dots aligned vertically. This is your Action button. Clicking on these 3 dots will open up a mini menu with several options related to that particular voice. Within this menu, you'll notice one of the options reads Delete Voice. This is exactly what we're looking for to remove a voice from your account permanently. Before you click on it, just make sure that you're selecting the correct voice, as this action cannot be undone. When you're confident that you've selected the voice you wish to delete, go ahead and click on Delete Voice. A confirmation prompt might pop up, ensuring that you're certain about the deletion. If so, just confirm your choice, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a voice from your ElevenLabs account, and there you have it. That's all it takes to delete a voice within ElevenLabs. It's a straightforward process, but as always, it's important to take your time to ensure you're not removing something you'll need later. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to click on the affiliate link when you sign up for ElevenLabs for additional support to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.